How to maintain weight loss after reaching your goals on the keto diet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something crucial for those of you who've been following the keto diet and have achieved your weight loss goals. We'll dive into how to maintain that hard-earned weight loss and keep it off for good. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Without further ado, let's get started. Transitioning from keto. Now that you've reached your target weight, it's important to make a smooth transition from the keto diet to a more sustainable, long-term eating plan. Remember, keto is a tool for weight loss, but it may not be suitable as a lifelong diet for everyone. Gradually reintroduce healthy carbs, such as whole grains, fruits, and legumes, while continuing to prioritize lean proteins and healthy fats. This will help your body adjust to a more balanced way of eating. Mindful eating. Paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues is essential to maintaining your weight loss. Practice mindful eating by eating slowly, savoring each bite, and eliminating distractions during meals. This will help you better recognize when you're satisfied and prevent overeating. Exercise regularly. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine is crucial for maintaining your weight and overall health. Aim for a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Find activities you enjoy, like hiking, dancing, or yoga, to make exercise a fun and sustainable part of your life. Monitor your weight and adjust. It's essential to keep an eye on your weight to ensure you're staying on track. Weigh yourself once a week and make adjustments to your diet and exercise routine as needed. Remember, it's normal for your weight to fluctuate slightly, so don't panic over minor changes. Consistency is key. Set realistic goals and expectations. Remember that weight maintenance is a journey, not a destination. Set realistic goals for yourself and be patient with the process. Understand that it's normal to experience setbacks, but don't let them deter you from your overall goal. Embrace the ups and downs and stay committed to your healthy lifestyle. Stay accountable. Having a support system can make all the difference in maintaining your weight loss. Share your goals with friends, family, or online communities, and consider joining a local support group or fitness class. Accountability can be a powerful motivator on your journey. Plan for special occasions. It's important to enjoy life's special moments without derailing your weight maintenance efforts. Plan ahead for events, vacations, or holidays by incorporating more physical activity, making healthier food choices, or adjusting your calorie intake accordingly. And remember, it's okay to indulge occasionally, just make sure to get back on track the next day. And there you have it. By following these tips, you can maintain your weight loss after reaching your goals on the keto diet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, keep up the great work and stay healthy.